Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here with you today. My arm was hurt and it is recovering, but I had to come on and do a small, simple show for you. So I actually have a guest, which is my son, that will be helping me with his hands. And we are making sheet pancakes, and they're super easy. You're gonna love it, and I'll be right back to go over the ingredients. The very first thing you're going to need is Krusteaz buttermilk pancake mix in a box. You're gonna need real vanilla and cinnamon powder, 2 cups of water, and these are my additions that I'm choosing today. I'm choosing sliced strawberries, fresh blueberries, and some chocolate chips. You'll need some avocado spray or vegetable spray of your choice because we are going to need to spray this 15 by 10 pan here that we will be using. And that is it. Let's go back to cook. I have my son helping me today. He stepped in to help film this show for you. Here are his hands, and I'm going to be talking while he's stirring everything and doing everything for me. So let's get started.
I'll be doing my best.
The very first thing Ray is going to do is put 3 cups of the Krusteaz mix into this bowl.
All right. I'm going to put that in there. There we go.
The next thing is go ahead right now and put your oven on to 375.
Okay.
And I've already got mine on, so we're good. Okay, next thing is 2 cups of water.
Get the water.
And I am using filtered water, so it's up to you.
Go. Boom.
Okay. And I personally use a few dashes of cinnamon powder. You don't have to do this, but it gives it such a wonderful flavor. And I am so excited about this. This is so easy for moms. We don't have to stand in front and do one pancake at a time. So you're going to love this.
All right.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Put in the teaspoon.
And it could be heaping if you want. I love it. I love vanilla.
There we go.
Okay. And now here are his hands coming in, and he's going to stir this to the maximum.
All right.
We'll be right back. I went ahead and put some avocado oil on my cookie sheet, and now I'm going to spread it out evenly and grease it. My son's going to spread it out evenly so your pancakes won't stick.
All over the pan.
The corners for sure.
Corners.
Yeah. Here it is. It's all nice and smooth and creamy. He whisked it up very well, and my cookie sheet is greased. Now you're just going to pour this on the pan as even as possible. This is such a time saver for mothers, grandmothers. You can use this for brunches. When your grandkids spend the night, they'll all get to put their own additions they want. You can pick and choose. It's going to be so easy, you'll see. So we're going to get all of this out onto the cookie sheet and spread it out evenly, and we'll be back to put our additions on. He's spreading it out to the edges just as much as possible, and then we're going to tap it. That's probably pretty good right there. You can get it to the edge, just push it.
Okay.
And then he's going to drop it maybe 2 or 3 times just to get some bubbles to come to the surface. So here we are. We're going to have fun. This is where your kids will have fun to put their own additions. Now, we all love chocolate chips in our family, so my son's doing that half with chocolate chips, and then I'm going to do this half with dotted blueberries.
You want to what? Try to like separate it
evenly? Yeah, kind of separate it so when you cut it, you have a piece of everything in your mouth.
Eat some of these too.
And we're going to eat and put these on. Hey, thanks, Ray, for coming on today and helping your mom. I'm so thankful.
Thanks for the sweets.
Because I love my subscribers and I'm so thankful for them. for tuning into Marie's Kitchen and supporting me. And I have missed you, and I am recovering. I'm literally waiting for an MRI scan. But meantime, I'm doing whatever I can. My arm is recovering. It's feeling much better. Look how beautiful this looks.
Oh, yeah.
And we are almost done. You can pick any fruit you want, whatever your kids love, what you love. This could be for fancy brunches, women's meetings. We are done, and I am going to pop this into the oven for 19 minutes. Here it is, all done, and I can't wait to try it. It took exactly in my oven 19 minutes. You'll know it's done when it's lightly browned around the edges and it's set. So now I let it sit 2 or 3 minutes and it's time to cut. Let's serve it. I already cut a few pieces. You can cut it however you want for as many people you want to serve. I'm going to serve my son first, and I want to thank him so much for helping me. And I just got to show you, look how beautiful and thick and fluffy. And look at that. And I'm going to serve him that one. And I'm going to serve me, of course, this beautiful one here. Big piece for me. Now you have a choice. If you want, you can do this and make it fancy and put some powdered sugar on top. Oops.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Or you can actually, which I'm still going to do, is put some whipped cream here. This is really bougie and fancy, which I love, and I'm going to put some more toppings on this. And then, of course, if you want to put, I guess I'll put 1 or 2 of the chocolate chips. And then here it goes, our syrup. I'm going to let my son put his own syrup. I don't know how much he wants.
A lot.
A lot.
That should be good.
Yeah. My daughter gave me these cards for Mother's Day, so I'm going to try to read as many as I can in a minute. I press on toward the goal to win the prize for which God has called me. Philippians 3:14. Go out in joy and be led forth in peace. Isaiah 55:12. The Lord is my strength and my song, and he has become my salvation. Exodus 15:2. He will not leave you or forsake you. Deuteronomy 31:6. May the unfailing love rest upon us, O Lord. With the Lord is unfailing love, and with him is full redemption. Surely goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life. Let everything that has breath praise the Lord. Come near to God, and he will come near to you. Let us approach the throne of grace with confidence so that we may receive mercy. God is able to make you a